In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select Display, and reach Wallpaper. Just pick Wallpapers or Photos album, whatever you prefer, and choose the picture that you would like to apply as your home screen. So let me choose, for example, this one, or maybe that one. Tap on Set Wallpaper, and finally select home screen, lock screen, or both of them. So just pick the option that you would like to apply. So if you want your this picture to cover both home and lock screens, just pick the third option, or if just one of them, choose home or lock screen. But I will apply it on both, and as you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both home and lock screen of this OUKITEL. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.